Dear student, today we are reading about arithmetic progression of class 10th, exercise 5.1, question number 3. First question and second question we have to learn the previous video. Then the question number 3 will be, for the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. Okay, very important question. First number, this is 3, 1, minus 1 and minus 3. We have to find out the first term. First term will be a equal to 3 and d equal to a2 minus a1. This is a2 is 1 minus 3. We getting minus 2. This is the common difference. Okay. Now the second part, minus 5 minus 1 3 7. A equal to minus 5, D equal to minus 1, minus plus 5, this will be 4. Third, 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3. A equal to 1 by 3, D equal to 5 by 3, minus 1 by 3. LCM will be 3, 5 minus 1, then 4 by 3. 0.1, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9 ... A equal to 0.6, D equal to 1.7 minus 0.6, it will be 1.1. Okay, question number 3 complete. Question number 4, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, then find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. We know about APs. What is APs? Which difference? We have a series and difference are equal, then we have to say that this will be arithmetic progression, means AP. Now the first question, 2, 4, 8, 16. A will be 2, D 4 minus 2 getting 2. This is D1, this is D2. A3 minus A2. D3, it will be 8. Now difference will be not same, then it is not an AP. Similarly, second, third, fourth, fifth part, 3 plus root 2, 3 2 root 2, 3 root 2 ... A equal to 3, D equal to 3 plus root 2 minus 3 minus, this will be D1. 3 plus root 2 minus 3 cancel out, this will be root 2. D2, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. 3 cancel out, 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2, it will be root 2. D3, 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. 3 cancel out, this will be root 2. Now this is AP because its difference are same. Now the next form, A1, 2, 3, 4, A5. A5 will be A plus 4D, A6, A plus 5D, and A7, A plus 6D. A will be 3, D 4 into root 2, then 3 5 into root 2, and 3 6 into root 2. Okay, this type here we can write it is an AP. Then we have to find other 3 more terms. Okay, now question number 4th part number, part number 11, root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12, 13. A equal to root 3, D 1 equal to root 6 minus root 3, means not a root 3, we have to factorize that root 2 and root 3 minus root 3. Root 3 taking common out, root 2 minus 1. Okay. And d2 root 9 minus root 6. It will be root 3 and root 3 minus root 2 and root 3. Root 3 taking common out, root 3 minus root 2. What will be root 3 minus root 2? Then it is not an AP. Not an AP. Eleventh part, a square, a3, a की 4, a equal to a, d1 equal to a square minus a, taking a common, a minus 1, d2 a cube minus a square, taking a square common, a minus 1, d3 a4 minus a3, taking a3 common, a minus 1. You see its difference are not same, then it is not an AP. 12 part, root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32, dot dot dot. A equal to root 2. D1 equal to root 8 minus root 2. Root 8, when we factorize root 8, it called 2 root 2. This will be root 2. D2. Root 18 minus root 8. It will be 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. This is root 2. D3. Root 32 minus root 18. It will be 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2. This is also root 2. Difference are same, then it is an AP. Then A5, A6, A7, A plus 4D, A plus 5D, A plus 6D. A will be root 2 plus 4 root 2. This gives 5 root 2. Root 2, 5 root 2 gives 6 root 2. Root 2, 6 root 2 gives 7 root 2. It means 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are, because we have to taking pair. Then when we factorize 50, 25 and 5 5. 5 5s are 25 plus into 2. Then root 50. 36 2s are 78. 72. This will be 98. Okay, this type you have to solve the full exercise. Now I think you will be completed today of this exercise. Thank you. Write in your notebook clean and clear.